Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana soto subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe takwigirai ya buditswa na Susan Mutami wa Buda Chitaura panyaya pamusoro pe shadow government yorukunzi Yarongwa the diaspora community and they want to put ZANU-PF to task on watch control of funds. Mshele kunge also in Chamisa in the opposition, but kuwa moso ya kunzi bakataza ku control of funds. Abaga donaterwa the diaspora community abuda on the ex-end of Susan Mutami actually those unhinged keyboard warriors who don't have clean water, great medical system, unlimited supply of electricity, free kindly. We have a system that works in Australia. If you think insulting me will affect me, you are wasting your time. I asked for accountability of the funds, and I have every right to ask as one of your donors. Anyway, in the world, accountability is a must. Who do you think you are? CCC Zimbabwe, in every business structure, if a director resigns and hands over the keys to the building and an audit is done, we aren't school children. Where did the money go? You have foreign donors who assisted you and the diaspora community at large. For them to have confidence in your movement, just publish your paperwork. You can't say we will be transparent as the new administration when you are failing to account for these monies. As a diaspora community, we will set up a shadow government, like I said, put ZANU-PF to task and have control of our funds going forward. As opposition on the ground, you have totally failed dismally. People are still in prisons. You lied to us that you dialogued with the security services. If I may ask, who did you speak to? A great leader addresses the concerns of his followers. Lip service doesn't work anymore. We are in 2024, a year of taking care of serious business. We are tired of hooliganism politics. We cannot continue to go into elections without addressing the elephant in the room. It's nonsensical. You can call me names, I don't care. I'm not a cult follower. I see things as they are. Na Susan Mutami muri Zimbabwe ashitaura pamusoro pe shadow government kunzi bakufumwa the diaspora community since they're going to put to task ZANU-PF kuti one kuichi manager mari dzavo muri Zimbabwe tisingazive kunoona sei nyaya iyi tudze zvamuri kufunga comment section muri Zimbabwe kutsvara kwatiri kuita zvakabuda Susan Mutami achiakiuza Nelson Chamisa nekupiwa mari kwakaitwa naTagwirei pamwe chete naAustalos vanzi vakapiwa dzimba naTagwirei muri Zimbabwe and Austalos akavakirwa imba kuSouth Africa and mari yacho akaiwana kupi tisingazive kunoona sei nyaya iyi tudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Panga kune mari alright kana mari isinoshanda mota makaishandisei because you were still collecting monies for my polling agents last minute. Pane mari dzakadonetwa nedzimwe nyika mopiwa 2 million apa mowana 2 million votes. Mwana wese taifanira kukwanawo futi pa 2 million ipapo. You understand? Mari makapiwa mari yet enough money polling agents. And then more yakuno kumotanga kuda kuchemera kuti hey tatisina mari when the money was there. That election they could have simply won that election, but they used it as a business vehicle. Some of these people, they've been in politics their whole life. We left ZANU-PF because ZANU-PF vanoshandisa politics as employment. Politics is not employment, a business idea, a business venture. It's employment, but it's not a business venture. Yekuti unoenda mupolitics kuti ubudirire uite mari. We also want to know what was the role of Chagonda and Tabani. What are their roles? Because I know information that most of people don't. You cannot eat in the same plate na Isaac Moyo na Thomas. They are not the ones that speak to them. It's all about mind games. Mutengesera a dream that you know very well kuti it's never gonna come into fruition. Are they even prepared to subject themselves to a lifestyle audit? Because as far as we are concerned, people are struggling in Zimbabwe. But some vari kutenga dzimba South Africa, vari kutenga dzimba Dubai. Mari iyoyo vari kuiwana kupi? That money was meant for our struggle. Ndikakuudza inini kumusha kwedu kugokwe kwanga kusina polling agents. People had to fund themselves. That's why you see Mangoma MP, they did not listen to him because he did not fund them. But Marianga Edipo, Maria Kainda Kupi, that's what we want to know. Where did the money go? The main reason why there is opposition politics is because we want to secure future evana. Inini vana vangu inini, they are all sorted. I don't want to lie to you. Future evana vangu. Be it kumusha ikoko kunzi vadzoka, they are fine. Even kuno kufuti, they are fine. Because I always put my politicians to task. Right now I'm busy compiling a document from 2013 to the current administration, Department of Education. Email but that I need answers with. Nema suggestions angu. And you know what? They will listen to me because, boys, do you mind going and go and play over there? I'm on the phone, please. They will listen to me because we know every idea counts. You understand? Constructive criticism is very important when you're a politician. You cannot be a politician and not want to be criticized. Kuti muri kuitei, saka muri kutibvunzirei. Muri kutibvunzirei nezvemari yacho. Tiri kukubvunzai because we want accountability kuti zvakafamba sei. Vanhu vakapiwa mari neMID vakaisirwa mari muma-accounts. Soon after election, pane matalks akaitika. Vakadanwa kunzi hatisi kuda kuti ED abude. Vanhu vakapiwa mari. Everything that happened was choreographed. Don't take us for fools. We know that system very well, and and the good thing is that system is also run by some of our family members, and we know them in and out. Kuti uyu iri itsotsi iri, uyu anodai so, uyu. Why give people false hope? Muchiziva kuti nothing is going to happen. Inini panapa ndikavhoterwa inini nevanhu 2 million. You understand?